Our attention now will be focusing on the Microsoft Word 2016 Clipboard. Oh, well, it may interest you to know that Clipboard can be found under Home. Under the menu, you can see it under Home, under the Home tab. And the Clipboard is actually in a group here. You can see the group here. We mentioned in our first tutorial on the Microsoft Word 2016 about group. So the area in determine what appear under the clipboard, you can just come here. You see this? Can just, if you click on it, all right, they will drop this, allowing you with under the options for you to determine what should display, whether it should display at all, whether it should not be displaying, and so on and so forth. That's aside, can be found on that clipboard. But however, under this clipboard, it's where you can actually use to copy, cut, paste, even format printer. Well, we may not do much on format printer. Simply means arranging in such a way that you would like to print. But if you do not remember Ctrl P, Ctrl C, and so on, you can just come in here and be doing that. Take for example, if I'm highlighting this particular text and I want to copy, I will just go there and click on copy and go to where I want to paste. Let's assume that I'm pasting in a brand new page. I will just go there. After coming here, I can go back to that same place on this page and click on paste. All right, then I will determine how to paste, whether special, whatever, but that is not what I really want. I can just click on it and choose one of these. Can you see it there? As soon as I click, it stays. That means I've copied and pasted. In case I do not want to use shortcut keys or do not even know how to use it, so the clipboard allows you to copy and paste. Now, what's the difference between copy and cut? Let's go and get it. Now, copy allowed you to duplicate what you have at the first place, but cut remove what you have there. Let us assume we are going to use cut this time. As soon as I click on cut, do you notice everything leaves? However, is still I can paste it. So if I come to the paste again, I can start pasting. I can keep pasting as many times as I chooses to. So copy, duplicate, or allow the original to remain, but cut, remove original, and also allowed to paste. So with this brief tutorial, I'm sure you can use the clipboard when it comes to 2016 with ease. So it allowed you to cut, copy, and print basically. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So subscribe, like the video, and share the video. Thank you.